y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're covering Cup of Avocado. Here we go. I almost spelled avocado wrong. A.K.A. skill issue. Here we go. Cup of Avocado. That is not what an avocado looks like. Oh, creamy and green, like swallowing velvet that hums. Everything feels smooth, too smooth, like the edges of me are sharpening into something irresistible, something unreal. What do you mean by that? Look away from that. Yes, I'll cover a couple human another time, but oh my god. Okay, if you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye. I almost forgot to mention the animation of the talking. Do you need something? My coffee machine is over there. Yeah. Right.